So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the standards on the ST Math and Freckle for you to select which TEKS you want students to focus on while they are on either one of these applications. So I can see the whole school. You won't be able to see that. So I'm just going to select a teacher. Once you have selected the class you want, you can always use this arrow, this little drop-down menu, and you can see your other classes. So you're going to go to Objectives, and you're going to click on Assignments. Once it opens, you'll be able to select the TEK that you want the students to focus on. If you ever go back and you want to see which standards you've already selected or how the kids did, you can always choose standards. So here it is open, and you can see right now we have these 3 TEKS using place value, rounding whole numbers, and comparing whole numbers have been already assigned. You can always assign more. All you want to do is click on Add. Here are all the different standards for 4th grade. They also have some bonus ones on the bottom. Once you click on a journey or a TEK, let's say generating patterns, it gives you an explanation so you can see what it is, and you can just select, okay, whichever one you want those kids to work on. And then if you go all the way down to the bottom, it will say assign. So let's say I want to do factors and multiples, and I can click assign that standard to the student. So now under their class assignments, you will see that this is now added to their list of assignments they have to complete. You can always remove them. You can always set the priority to see if they're which one you want them to do first, second, or third by using the arrows here under in progress. You can also allow student choice. You can just toggle between if you want them to be able to choose. And you also have individual assignments where you can assign certain kids certain TEKS that you want them to focus on. Once again, you can use the arrow to toggle between your 2 or 3 classes if you have multiple classes of students. If you're in Freckle, my Freckle is going to look a little different because I don't have any students. So you can click on Assignments in Freckle. Here you will be able to toggle between your classes. I don't have any students, so I won't be able to. You will just click on Add New Math Assignment. You can go to any one of these that you would like. I'm going to go to Adaptive. This will be automatic. And then you can select here the unit that you want them to focus on. You can do Assign immediately. There's another part where you can assign a new assignment. I'm going to go to it, and that's the targeted practice assignment. And this goes by the different TEKS. If you scroll past your students, all your students will be listed here. Because I have none, I don't have any students here. Where it says select topic, here's where you can put in the TEKS. So if you know your kids need to work on 4.5a, you can select the TEK, and then over here it breaks it down. So if you only want them to focus on a variable and what's the understanding of a variable, you can select just that one. Or if you want them to work on the whole TEKS for 4.5a, you can select that as well. And then all the way at the bottom is where you can assign it immediately, or if you know you're going to be out next week, you can assign it for the future. Hope that helped. If y'all have any questions, you can always text me or email me, or you can check me out in the 5th grade pod. See y'all later.